In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert silence in Audacity quickly and correctly, so you can add a clean gap in your audio without deleting or overwriting anything. This is really useful if you want to create breathing room in a podcast, add space between voice clips, pause before a sound effect, or simply push audio further down the timeline. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Audacity tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Audacity and find the track where you want to add silence. Before you do anything else, make sure you click the exact point in the track where you want the silence to begin. This is very important because Audacity will insert the silence space right where your cursor is placed. If you click too early or too late, the silence will be added in the wrong spot. So take a second to zoom in if needed and place the cursor precisely. Once your cursor is in the right position, go up to the top menu and click Generate. This is where Audacity gives you tools for creating audio elements like tones, noise, and silence. From the Generate menu, select Silence. When you choose that option, Audacity will open a small dialog box where you can set exactly how long you want the silence to be. Now type in the duration of silence you need. You can enter the length in seconds, minutes, or whatever format your version of Audacity allows. If you only want a quick pause, you might use a short duration, like 1 or 2 seconds. If you're spacing out sections of a longer recording, you may want several seconds or even more. The great thing here is that you have full control over the amount of empty space you're creating. After you enter the duration, click Generate. Audacity will then insert that silence directly into the track at the cursor location. And here's the key detail. This method pushes all the audio to the right of your cursor further down the timeline. That means the silence creates a gap without deleting any existing audio and without overwriting your original recording. Everything after the insertion point is moved forward, which keeps your track intact while giving you the space you need. That's why this feature is so useful. Instead of cutting audio out or trying to manually drag clips around, you can instantly create clean spacing with just a few clicks. It's a simple workflow, but once you know it, it can save you a lot of time when editing interviews, narration, music, or any kind of spoken audio. If you want to fine-tune the result, you can always undo and try a different silence duration until it feels right. That way you can test different pacing options without making permanent changes. And if you're working on a longer edit, this is a great way to break up sections and make your final audio feel more professional and easier to listen to. So just to recap, click the exact point where you want the gap. Go to Generate, choose Silence, type the duration, and click Generate. Audacity will insert the silence space and push the rest of the audio down the timeline safely. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Audacity tips, and let me know in the comments what other editing features you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.